On behalf of the organizing committee, I am honored to welcome all participants and to express our greatest appreciations to the authors for the important works presented in these editions of the International Workshops on Advances in Cleaner Production. The 10th International Workshops on Advances in Cleaner Production was planned to take place in Italy. However, the global health conditions have placed our community into a new challenge. This event is a proof of the resilience and power of the research community to overcome the extraordinary world situation that we live in 2021. The community that works with sustainability and developing issues shows competence. Congratulations. The extensive program, the representative number of participants, the quality of the conference and contributions out of these events to be considered an academic success. This is the consequence of the contribution from several colleagues spread across different parts of the world. Colleagues who have worked for several years in different types of institutions, academics, business, and government. You are responsible for the size and quality of the international workshops on advances in cleaner production. My special thanks to Professor Fernando Lopes. Thank you. Professor Massimiliano Massanti. Thank you. And team, thank you. Without your special and competent support, this event would not have occurred. I also hope that you will continue to contribute to the advances of cleaner productions and sustainable development.